Today tutorial we are going to see how to hide our local disk drive without using any third-party application. That means without downloading any softwares or applications from internet, we are going to hide our local disk drive. Okay. This is my. I have 5 partitions in my hard disk. That is my hard disk is 500 GB, and I am using it as a separated into five different partitions. Now I am going to show you how to hide the fifth partition. That is, and the fifth partition is bank. I named it as bank, and the letter it was assigned was I. Okay. Now I am going to hide this partition, that is bank, which is named as the bank. Okay, just follow me the steps. Press Windows key and the R at the same time. You will receive a command prompt run box window. In that, type disk partition, DISKPART, disk part, which means disk part means disk partitions. Okay, you will ask me whether you should whether the computer can be want to make changes in the computer. So accept it, yes, give yes, and a new window will be opening there. It shows that disk parts. Now we are going to I am going to type it as disk partition, and already type it. Now I want to know the list of volumes which I have in my hard disk. So type it as list volume. It will show you the disk partitions, and there are 5 volumes and in my systems. So now already I said that I am going to hide the last fifth partition, that is bank, which is named as bank. It is shown here. The volume bank, and the letter is I, assigned the letter is I, and the volume is 5. Now I am going to hide the volume 5 only. So select the volume. Select the volume, which means which drive, which partition you want to hide. Okay, I am going to select the volume 5. Select volume 5 and press enter. The volume 5 has been selected, and now the command for hiding the partition is remove letter I, which means letter volume letter is assigned as I for the partition bank. Okay, I am assigning, so press enter. It shows that this partition successfully removed the drive letter or mount point. Okay, now you can close it and refresh and go to your system, my computer, and you will not see any the fifth partition, that is bank, which is placed here, has been removed, and no one can you cannot access any file without unhiding. You cannot use any files in that partition. If you want to use the files in that particular partition, means you have to unhide the partition. Again, you have to unhide the partition. So now I am going to show you again how to unhide the partitions. Same, type it as disk partition. It will ask again, give it as again it opens list volume. It will again list it, but the letter will be removed. You can't see the letter, that is it named as I, the letter is, but it has been removed due to I hide that particular partition, that is bank. Now I am going to unhide that partition. Okay, select volume 5, which I am going to unhide it. Okay, the volume 5 has been selected, and to unhide, type the command assign letter I. Actually, I forgot to say one thing. Don't forget the partition letter, that is the letter which is assigned to that particular partition. In future, it may be somewhere you have to store it in somewhere any places, because in future it will be it will be a big problem if you forget it. Okay, as in letter I. Yes, the partition again has been unhidden. So I am going to minimize, refresh. Now you can see that partition again has been unhidden and it is visible to all the all persons. Thanks for watching.